It's peach season, which is my favorite season. Today we are making summer sausage with peaches. Now you may be thinking, sausage with peaches? When you have the spice in the Italian sausage with the sweetness of the peaches, plus we're gonna chop up some red onion for a little fuller flavor, it just comes together so well. Plus we're going to be marinating our chopped peaches and onion in some oil and vinegar. For the products you will need for this recipe, you can either use the Tuscan herb olive oil or even the Milanese gremolata olive oil. Either way, the peaches go so nicely with Italian flavor. To also marinate in with the peaches and onion, you can use the A Premium white balsamic just to give a little bit of a acidic zing. Now I do find for this recipe, if you have the smaller peaches, one peach is good for your toppings for one sausage. So just depending on how many people you're having over or just for your family, grab as many peaches as you need. So I love red onion, so I've chopped up about a quarter cup of red onion in this bowl here. If you're not a fan of red onion, you think it's too strong, you can always lessen it a little bit. Now, if you know how to make a pico de gallo at home, usually it's larger chunks of your tomato, pepper, and onion and everything like that. So we're gonna do the same thing with the peaches. You can kind of go like half, another half. Take your two slices here, just make nice big cuts like that. Add that to your bowl. And you can keep going with the rest of your peach. Now's the time when you can add your oil and vinegar. So I'm just gonna do a quick little drizzle of our Tuscan herb oil. Some of the A Premium for that acidic zing. And just mix it all up, make sure everything gets coated. It'll also help break up the red onion a little bit. You can do salt and pepper if you want to, though your sausage is gonna have the nice saltiness in that too, so depending if you want it or not. So I've added some robust intensity olive oil to my pan. I'm going to bring the sausage up to temperature with the olive oil, and I'm gonna do that on medium to medium-high heat. While we wait for the sausage to cook, I would love to introduce all of you to my new little girl, Libby. She is a Siberian cat. She is 2 years old, and she's the new part of our family. Say hi to everyone, Libby. She's fighting me right now. So our sausage is getting almost a little bit halfway of being cooked, so I'm just going to take my fruit, add it to the pan. So as this cooks down, your sausage is also going to be in all the juices of the peach and the oil and vinegar, and it's just going to get all nice and flavorful. So if you're worried about, making the bottom of your pan dirty, the peaches and onion and everything has nicely deglazed the pan, gotten onto all the peaches and everything. Our sausage is right to temperature that we want, so we are going to take it off heat. Now for this sausage, you will not need mustard or ketchup or relish. You won't need any of that because this is just so full of flavor. So let me grab on. Might get a little messy, but I like my sausages nice and loaded with this kind of stuff. All right, let's get a bite here. That sweetness, I'm telling you, perfect with Italian flavor. Also, this will get the attention of your pets. Wait, you want some, Sophie? You want some? I hope you guys liked this video and this recipe. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time, and I'm just gonna go and devour this.